Hey there, friends! There's truly nothing quite like coming home to a space that makes you feel comfortable and happy. Your home should be your haven, a reflection of your unique style and personality. That's what makes interior design so exciting. It's about creating a space that not only looks good, but feels good too. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to refresh your current decor, I'm here to guide you with some simple tips and tricks. We're going to explore the beauty of organic modern design, a style that blends clean lines and contemporary aesthetics with the warmth and textures of nature. Get ready to transform your living room into a stylish and serene retreat. We'll focus on incorporating natural materials, choosing the right furniture and decor, and maximizing light and space. I can't wait to see what you create. So, what exactly is organic modern style? Imagine a space that feels both contemporary and timeless, where clean lines and minimalist design meet the raw beauty of nature. That's the essence of organic modern. This style is all about embracing natural materials like wood, stone, cotton, and linen. Think neutral color palettes, simple shapes, and a focus on functionality. It's about creating a sense of calm and serenity, a space where you can truly relax and unwind. One of the key principles of organic modern design is minimizing clutter. We'll talk more about organization later, but keep in mind that less is often more in this style. By choosing statement pieces and letting go of unnecessary items, you can create a space that feels open, airy, and inviting. Before we dive into furniture and decor, let's talk about the foundation of your organic modern living room, the interior design elements. These elements create the backdrop for your space and set the tone for the entire design. Start with your walls. Neutral colors like white, beige, gray, or even a soft sage green create a sense of calm and make the space feel larger. Consider adding a textured element with a stone accent wall or exposed brick. Flooring is another important element. Natural wood floors are always a classic choice and add warmth to the space. If you prefer a cooler feel, consider concrete flooring or large format tiles in neutral tones. Remember to choose sustainable materials whenever possible. Reclaimed wood, bamboo, and cork are great eco-friendly options that add character and warmth to your home. Now for the fun part, choosing furniture. When it comes to organic modern style, comfort is just as important as aesthetics. Opt for pieces with clean lines and simple silhouettes, but don't be afraid to incorporate curves and soft edges for a touch of visual interest. Natural materials are key here. A solid wood coffee table, a linen-covered sofa, or a rattan armchair can instantly add warmth and texture to your living room. Look for pieces made from sustainable and ethically sourced materials. Multifunctional furniture is your best friend in an organic modern space. Think ottomans with hidden storage, coffee tables that double as desks, or sofas that convert into beds. These versatile pieces help you maximize space while maintaining a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Section 5. Artful touches, personality on display. Art and decorative accents are what truly bring your personality into a space. In an organic, modern living room, less is more. Choose a few statement pieces that speak to you and complement the overall aesthetic. Look for artwork with natural elements, such as botanical prints, landscape photography, or abstract pieces with earthy tones. Consider supporting local artists or artisans by purchasing handmade pieces. When it comes to decorative objects, choose items with natural textures and organic shapes. A woven basket, a ceramic vase filled with dried flowers, or a collection of crystals can add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Section 6. Organized bliss, a place for everything. Clutter is the enemy of calm, so keeping your organic modern living room organized is essential. The good news is that organization can be stylish. Incorporate smart storage solutions that blend seamlessly with your decor. Woven baskets are a lifesaver for storing blankets, pillows, or even kids' toys. Floating shelves provide stylish display space while keeping surfaces clear. A sleek console table with drawers can house remotes, magazines, and other essentials. Remember, a clutter-free space equals a calmer mind. Take the time to declutter regularly and find a designated spot for everything. You'll be amazed at how much more peaceful your living room feels. Section 7. The heart of the home, your organic modern living room. Now that we've covered the basics, let's bring it all together and focus on your living room. This is the heart of your home, a space for relaxation, connection, and entertainment. By incorporating the principles of organic modern design, you can create a living room that is both stylish and inviting. Imagine this. You walk into your living room and you're greeted by a sense of calm and serenity. Natural light streams through the windows, illuminating the neutral walls and highlighting the textures of your furniture. A cozy rug invites you to kick off your shoes and relax on the linen-covered sofa. The coffee table, crafted from reclaimed wood, is the perfect spot for a cup of tea and a good book. A hand-thrown ceramic vase filled with fresh flowers adds a touch of color and fragrance to the space. As the sun begins to set, you light a few candles, their flickering flames casting a warm glow on the walls. This is just a glimpse into the possibilities of an organic modern living room. By following the tips we've discussed, you can create a space that reflects your personal style and provides a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Let's talk about the magic of lighting. In any room, but especially in an organic modern space, light plays a crucial role in setting the mood and enhancing the overall aesthetic. Natural light is your best friend. Maximize the sunlight streaming in by keeping windows unobstructed by heavy curtains. Opt for sheer curtains or blinds that allow light to filter through while still providing privacy. When it comes to artificial lighting, layering is key. Combine ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination for the room. Think flush mount fixtures, chandeliers, or even strategically placed floor lamps. Task lighting is perfect for specific areas where you need focused light, like reading nooks or workspaces. Consider adjustable table lamps or swing-arm wall sconces. Accent lighting adds drama and highlights architectural features or artwork. Use track lighting, recessed lighting, or picture lights to create visual interest. Don't underestimate the power of candlelight. Scatter candles throughout your living room to create a cozy and inviting ambiance in the evenings. One of the hallmarks of organic modern design is the seamless connection to nature, and what better way to bring the outdoors in than with the vibrant beauty of plants. Plants not only add a touch of life and color to your living room, but they also purify the air and create a sense of tranquility. Choose a variety of plants with different shapes, sizes, and textures to add visual interest. If you're not blessed with a green thumb, don't worry. There are plenty of low-maintenance plants that can thrive indoors, such as snake plants, ZZ plants, and pothos. Large potted plants like fiddle leaf figs or monsteras can make a dramatic statement in the corner of a room. Smaller plants such as succulents or air plants are perfect for shelves or coffee tables. Get creative with your plant displays. Hang macrame plant hangers from the ceiling, group plants together on a plant stand, or create a vertical garden on an empty wall. In today's world, it's more important than ever to make mindful choices about the products we bring into our homes. Organic modern design aligns perfectly with sustainable living, as it emphasizes natural materials, craftsmanship, and timeless design. When choosing furniture and decor, look for pieces made from sustainable materials such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, organic cotton, and recycled materials. Reclaimed wood is an eco-friendly option that adds character and history to your space. Bamboo is a fast-growing, renewable resource that is both durable and stylish. Organic cotton, grown without harmful pesticides or fertilizers, is a healthier choice for you and the environment. And don't forget about recycled materials. Look for furniture and decor made from recycled glass, metal, or plastic. By supporting companies that prioritize sustainability, you're not only creating a beautiful home for yourself, but also contributing to a healthier planet. Creating a stylish and serene home is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, experiment with different ideas, and most importantly, have fun with it. Remember, your home should be a reflection of you, a space where you feel comfortable, inspired, and at peace. By incorporating the principles of organic modern design, you can create a living room that is both stylish and inviting, a sanctuary for your mind, body, and soul. So gather your inspiration, embrace natural materials, and let your creativity flow. Your dream organic modern living room awaits. Happy decorating, friends!